Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by deciding whether you used a Microsoft account or a local account. That determines the recovery path. Once done, get another device to download the Windows 10 Media Creation Tool or use account. Microsoft. COM to reset remotely. Make a recovery USB of at least 8 GB now. This lets you boot and access repair tools. Make sure Secure Boot and UEFI settings are noted. Changing them later may be needed to boot the USB. Boot the PC from the recovery USB and choose Repair Your Computer, then Troubleshoot and Advanced Options. From their open command prompt to enable an offline reset, you'll temporarily rename Udelman. EXE and copy CMD. EXE to that name so you can launch a system command prompt at the login screen. This step gives you access without logging in. Be careful to target the correct system drive letter as it often changes in recovery mode. Once set, restart to reach the login screen. At the login screen, press Ease of Access to open the elevated command prompt you created. Then run NetUser your username, new password to change the password. Once successful, restore Udelman. EXE to its original name from the recovery environment so system integrity is returned. Reboot and sign in with the new password. If login fails, make sure you targeted the correct account name, check for typos, or use a Microsoft account, password, reset from another device as a fallback.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.